Got water in it. Of course it is. Chef. What'll happen?
We ready to go?
Yeah, fire up. Just turn it on and let the gas go through.
Just put a bit down the back of my leg.
Sorry. Sorry, man.
That's something that I said.
Oh, it's the one that said I.
Oh, that's it, man.
I did because I was expecting 2 mouthfuls and it was only one.
Oh, that's
Fucking stinks, man. Oh, it stinks.
Oh, I got an
of
interior light. That
ammonia,
never
bad.
worked. They put a magnificent daylight. I'm sure things on
Yeah,
the
you're
truck,
draining the battery.
but I'm sure that the good fairy. Oh yeah. Oh, man, listen to this. Does have an induction exhaust leak on manifold leak on that side. Easy peasy, mate. Yeah, what I used to do. Oh no, she's right. So on gas. Are we all thinking positive?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Forward. The gas go through a bit more. Did the, can you hear the song on the gas?
Yeah. Yeah.
On?
Yeah.
Okay. Contact.
Go.
We need some.
Send up the reds. Don't ever fuck around with the car. You want to get the oil pressure going. Don't go extreme to get up to that 2,000 revs.
Oh, listen to it.
Lucky I had the tractor over here and I've got it stuck under it.
What's he doing?